AGIS, Advanced Ground Information Systems, makers of multi-domain data link software. AGIS's MDDL enables a worldwide, multinational, integrated C4ISR COP. After 9/11, we learned that many lives were lost as a result of a breakdown in communications between various different agencies that responded to this tragedy. Responders trying to coordinate rescue efforts were unable to communicate with each other. Text messages, we learned after, was one of the only reliable comms. Sandal Blackwell and Cap Beyer realized smartphones had the capability to provide a common communication tool, and software could provide an interface for setting up groups and efficiently sharing information. In 2004, the company was started and the development of software to provide a common operational picture to each user was begun. Our first contracts were in the public safety market, but quickly transitioned to military applications for C4I. Today, we are a non-traditional, veteran-owned small business successfully developing and delivering an integrated, multi-domain U.S. NATO Five Eyes C4I system. So let's take a look at the system. What we're seeing here in this COP is a combination of users, markers, and 10,000 plus real-time, unclassified data reports displayed on our MDDL system, displaying real-time aircraft and ship sensor feeds from all over the world. If connected to U.S. or NATO C5 ISR systems, this data is automatically transformed into the classified data link formats. AGIS's MDDL software enables real-time integration of incompatible U.S. Army, Navy, and Air Force, as well as NATO C5 ISR data link formats and protocols, providing an integrated COP. An integration of 10,000s of unclassified and classified real-time intelligence feeds from normally incompatible sensor sources into the COP. The display of a synchronized COP with extensive data, voice, and video communications between MDDL users, enabling them to operate effectively together, and the transmission of engagement commands to U.S. Army, Navy, and Air Force C5 ISR systems. What is MDDL? The software loads on any PC, Android, or iOS device as a thick client app, as well as via any PC or smartphone browser as a web client. The system enables real-time situational awareness between all these devices to create a scalable, common operational picture system of the mapped area and the precise location of all participants. Up on the screen, I'm showing 3 different devices. They're all connected to the same server, so they all share the same COP. You'll notice the PC screen on the left only sees symbols inside that dotted circle. This device has a location filter to only display data inside a specific area so that the display only has data that is geographically or operationally relevant to that user. The other 2 displays do not have the filter, so they're seeing data globally. On the left is my PC thick client app. In the center is the Android web client, and on the right is the PC web client. The PC screen in operation was modeled after Microsoft's suite of software. The main menu is very user-friendly and is grouped into tab sections with the menu functions under each tab. Likewise, the Android screen is based around a Google Maps interface, and the web client also has an app-like interface. Because different services in different countries use different types of maps, our MDDL system has an interoperable GIS that enables integration of over 80 map types. The symbols you're seeing today are commercial air and sea sensor data. Here we can hook a sea track and get detailed information like vessel name, type, call sign, destination, the MIMSI and IMO designations, as well as length, width, and draft. We can also hook an air track and get the aircraft's call sign, heading, speed, and altitude. There's even a history trail to show you the flight path. The system supports other symbol types. On the PC client, I'll switch over to NTDS symbols. And here I can go through and I can still hook a track and get the same amount of data. The MDDL Thick app also has radar tracking capability. The derived radar track data is automatically sent to the interfacing web client or app C5 ISR systems as tracks, in addition to being sent to the MDDL system participants. Here I can hook an air track and see its flight path based on multiple radar sensor reports. The system permits the establishment of groups to limit the information to the type of data of interest and/or a need-to-know or chain of command basis.